9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. We got liftoff. All teams, triage alerts, please.
Have you also been fascinated by the possibility of having life on other planets as well? Can we as species be multi-planetary? How SpaceX and Starship have changed the way we look at space are going to be the highlights of this video. Hello viewers, welcome to TechWiki, where you get to know all the latest updates in technology and engineering. Today I'm going to tell you about the invention that can shape the future, not only for us as species, but also for this planet. Watch this video till the end to know how Starship could be a vital factor in World War III. This is Starship, continually being developed by SpaceX under the vision of CEO Elon Musk. 120 meters long, made of stainless steel, capable of accommodating 100 people at once with a load capacity of 150 metric tons. Starship seems promising in making space travel possible for every human being on this planet. But is it possible to make life multi-planetary? Considering the eventual exhaustion of resources on planet Earth, it is certainly possible for human beings to become space-faring civilizations and multi-planetary species. Going by this vision, SpaceX with NASA has started exploring Mars as our new home. With 24.5 hours in a day, availability of decent sunlight, water presence in the soil, and 38% gravity, Mars seems to have the potential to sustain life. By these facts, it won't be surprising if we see the possibility of having life on this planet come alive soon. Though space exploration has been a constant area of interest for humans since the first time we went to the moon, 2020 proved to be the launch pad to a new dream. So what happened in 2020 that changed the picture? Before knowing that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our future videos on super unique projects that you will find exciting and entertaining at the same time. Coming back to the video, 2020 has been the year of creating a new realm of the future in space. On May 30th, 2020, SpaceX sent the Falcon 9 rocket to the International Space Station with NASA astronauts under the SpaceX Demo 2 mission. Sending NASA's astronauts into orbit was not just another mission to the International Space Station, but a statement from SpaceX, which meant a private company had built an infrastructure that is fully equipped and could make one-day space travel possible for anyone. Space enthusiasts worldwide looked at this event as an essential step on the journey to expand human exploration and existence to the Moon and Mars. "This is a dream come true for me and everyone at SpaceX," said Elon Musk, chief engineer at SpaceX. It is the culmination of an incredible amount of work by the SpaceX team, by NASA, and by several other partners in the process of making this happen. With its hard work and extraordinary vision, SpaceX certainly has changed the way we look at space forever. The vision is collective now. People have started believing in a future where humans exist on more than one planet, and this vision has become believable only on account of the stunning Starship. Now we have come to the point where you will get to know how Starship has revolutionized space exploration. The beautiful creation consists of a spacecraft stacked upon a huge rocket booster, making Starship vast in size. It has monster engines filled with liquid oxygen and liquid methane, which generates enormous power to lift off the rocket and boost it into orbit. The spacecraft has 6 Rapture engines, while the rocket booster has 37 machines and is the source of most of the power transmitted to the ship. After lifting the Starship into space, the booster detaches itself from the spacecraft and returns safely to the Earth from where it emerged. Afterward, the Starship goes into orbit and can take its journey to various space stations, the Moon, or Mars. During its landing on other planets, the Starship has to deal with many factors, but the major one of them is heat, which is why its material has been changed from carbon fiber to stainless steel to withstand more heat. Despite being so valuable for its design and engineering, Starship is shockingly cheaper than other spacecraft. Want to know how? It's because of the unique quality of Starship being reusable. Nothing like this has ever existed before. This attribute of Starship makes its launch economically feasible. As most of its parts are reusable, its launch cost comes out to be $2 million, which is significantly less than NASA's Space Shuttle launch cost, which is $450 million. The lesser cost and more efficiency make Starship a firm reason to believe in the future of multi-planetary life. Now a quick reminder for you to like and comment on your favorite part of this video to appreciate and encourage our work. So far, we have been through the design and vision of Starship. Starship not only takes us a step ahead in space exploration, but also gives us hope to our survival during the upcoming dark ages like World War III. How? We all know that there is a possibility of having a third world war. We as a civilization need a base good enough to regenerate and recreate our existence and preserve our species. Launching Starship to Mars and the Moon to figure out the chances of sustainable life and colonizing is one such step in the direction of being ready for the dark times that we might witness in the future. Apart from acting as an alternative to man-made extinction, colonizing Mars and creating a multi-planetary life offers an answer to the vanishing resources mandatory for human life, like fuel and water. Maybe it's high time for us as a civilization to get used to the idea of exploring life outside Earth. In accordance with this need, SpaceX has certainly given mankind a new hope of a future where we have a reliable picture of saving energy and saving this planet. The future is as uncertain as it is, but 2020 will go down as the year everything started to change, and Elon Musk's SpaceX will be the team who caused it. Thank you guys. That was the video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It will keep encouraging us to keep up the excellent work and bring you the best of content.